Hello friends, today I'll be telling you how to approach CDS written examination. My name is Ashish Prakash and I have completed my BSc Honours in Geology from University of Delhi and I have been recommended in UPSC CDS SNL 104 final merit list. So friends, you all will be aware of the CDS examination. I will give you a small introduction of it in a nutshell. This is the best way to enter coveted defense services after graduation. And this written test is conducted by UPSC and it is conducted twice a year. Through this examination, students are admitted into different services and into different academies. Here different academies are Indian Military Academy, Officers Training Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Air Force Academy, in which Indian Military Academy and Officers Training Academy, these two are for Indian Army, where Indian Military Academy gives you the permanent commission and Officers Training Academy recruits you for the short service commission. Now friends, the test includes English, General Studies and Mathematics. So this is the best way, as I have already told you, that this is the best way to join defense services after graduation. Now friends, in this slide, I will deal with all three sections of the test one by one. Let's start with English. English is friends most scoring and there are 120 questions of 100 marks. If you prepare for this, the book I will name it R. Gupta, that is for CDS, and then Word Power Made Easy. Word Power Made Easy friends, this is very good book and it will help you in building vocabulary which helps in antonyms and synonyms and in the sentence correction part too. So friends, standard of English is very easy and students should try to score as much as they can in this section. For grammar portion, any grammar book will suffice. If you don't have this R. Gupta, there is no need to buy a new one. Any grammar book will help you for this. Then friends, with this I will also suggest you to read as many as passages or articles from newspapers and magazines. आप जितना पढ़ेंगे आपकी vocabulary building उतना ज़्यादा होगी और आप उतने अच्छे तरीके से जो है एग्जाम में लिख पाएंगे. इंग्लिश के मार्क्स में आप उतने अच्छे तरीके से आप स्कोर कर पाएंगे. This will help you in understanding and reading comprehension faster. So friends, reading is very important. Try to read as much as you can. Now I will deal with the general knowledge section. Friends, general knowledge, in the general knowledge, question level is moderately difficult to difficult. And objective is for 100 marks. Again, 120 questions for 100 marks. And friends, for this sections, don't be overconfident while preparing. Why I am telling you not to be overconfident? Because UPSC asks many questions by going into detail. Therefore, don't be overconfident while preparing for this. Read everything in detail. Here I want to make it clear that cutoff for each section is 20 marks friends. 20 marks है हमारा cutoff सारे इन दोनों section के लिए, maths और English के लिए. But many students are not able to cross the cutoff also in the general knowledge. So friends, try scoring at least 50 to 60 marks in this section if you want admission in Air Force Academy, because the cutoff for Air Force Academy is higher than other. Therefore, try scoring at least 50-60 marks in this section. Now friends, if the name of the books for how to prepare for general knowledge, so for geography and history you can go through NCERT standard 6 to 12th. Then for polity, M. Lakshmikant and Roman Search lecture which is available on the Unacademy. These lectures are excellent, so you can go through them. And then science, for science you can go through NCERT 7 to 10th and few topics are from class 11th and 12th also. Here I will tell you that for static part of science you can also go through Lucent, because Lucent plays an important role in preparing for a static science. And economy, go through NCERT 11th and 12th. And in current affairs you can go through last 7 to 8 months current affairs from any book. For now let's start with mathematics. So friends, in mathematics what happens, you can go through any maths textbook. I have given the name of R.S. Agarwal, but basically you can go through any maths textbook up to class 12th and it will help you to score good marks in this section. And friends, also solve previous year question papers, because if you will solve previous year question paper, this will give you clarity in your mind that how the questions are being asked, and it is easily available in the market and online too. Therefore, go through these questions. Now friends, here I am showing you that recent breakup of questions. Now first of all, let's start with English. I will deal with 2015 second written examination because I gave that examination. In that examination, there were 15 questions from synonyms, 10 questions from antonyms, 15 from spotting error, 25 questions from sentence improvement, then no question from word substitution, 25 क्वेश्चन सेलेक्टिंग वर्ड से थे, 20 क्वेश्चन कॉम्प्रिहेंशन से, एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ सेंटेंस और ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ वर्ड से कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था. फिल इन द ब्लैंक से 10 क्वेश्चन थे. जनरल नॉलेज में हम अब आते हैं. इन जनरल नॉलेज अगेन इन 2015 सेकेंड पार्ट, 15 क्वेश्चन फॉर इकोनॉमिक्स, 18 from political science, 11 from history, 18 from geography, 12 from biology, 10 from physics, 5 from chemistry, 4 from environment, 7 from current awareness, 9 defense related, 5 sociology, no award, then 1 from sports, 4 from book, 1 from important day, and 1 from and none from statement true and false. So friends, if you will see this general knowledge section clearly, so let's come to the current awareness part, and you see the number of questions asked in current awareness part is very less in comparison to the static part. So what happens that when new players who start preparing for this examination, they often make mistake by preparing too much of current affairs. But as you can see in this table, majority of the question paper is made up of static or theoretical topics only. सो अगर आप फ्रेंड्स आप मेरे से पूछेंगे कि मेरी क्या एडवाइस है आपके लिए, तो मैं आपको ये कहूंगा कि स्टैटिक पार्ट पे ज्यादा आप फोकस करें, बिकॉज यूपीएससी ज्यादा स्टैटिक पार्ट पे एम्फेसिस डालती है. देयरफॉर प्रिपेयर यू ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर मोर फ्रॉम द स्टैटिक पार्ट. सो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ दिस इज द सेम मैथमेटिक्स क्वेश्चन. इन मैथमेटिक्स देयर आर 100 क्वेश्चन ऑफ 100 मार्क्स. So here you can see CDS 1 2015, arithmetic 33 question, algebra 17 questions, trigo 11 questions, geometry 19 questions, mensuration 17 questions, and statistics there were 3 questions. Now friends, these are few important points which you should keep in mind while preparing for this examination, and once you are in the examination hall, then also you need to keep these things in mind. First of all friends, as I already said that try scoring maximum marks in English. English is very easy friends, standard of English is very easy, so try scoring maximum marks in English. Then friends, for the general knowledge section, keep this thing in mind that cutoff is 20 marks and you have to get more than 20 to pass the cutoff. Therefore, keep this thing in mind while giving the general knowledge section. Then friends, practice previous year question papers, I already said you. And then friends, do not apply if you don't fulfill the physical criteria. क्यों ऐसा मैं कह रहा हूं फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि हम ऐसा होता है कि एसएसबी, अगर आपने सीडीएस रिटन एग्जामिनेशन क्लियर कर लिया, उसके बाद आपने एसएसबी भी क्लियर कर लिया, एसएसबी क्लियर करने के बाद मेडिकल प्रोसेस जो होता है इनका, वो काफी रिगरस होता है. और बहुत सारे ऐसे कैंडिडेट थे मेरे टाइम में भी जिनको एक जो है ये कंप्लीट करने के बाद भी, एसएसबी प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करने के बाद भी उनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया गया, मेडिकल बोर्ड आउट कर दिया गया. देयरफॉर फ्रेंड्स, डू नॉट अप्लाई इफ यू डोंट फुलफिल द फिजिकल क्राइटेरिया. अपने आप को फिजिकली चेक करवा लें आप ये भरने से पहले, अदरवाइज आप अपना टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे वहां जाके. एंड फ्रेंड्स, this is very important that forget negative marks. Why I am telling you to forget negative marks? Because friends, there are especially, I am talking about especially English and general knowledge section. There are 120 questions friends for 100 marks. There is a simple logic behind it. 120 question for 100 marks. So 0.833 for one question. And if you do wrong question also, if you attempt wrong answer also, then only 0.277 marks will be deducted. So friends, try to forget negative marks while giving the examination. Then only जितना आप ज्यादा attempt करेंगे, majority आप 80 to 90% questions वहां पे attempt करके आए, and definitely you will get good marks. So friends, if you follow these simple steps, then definitely you are going to sail through the written examination. And friends, please इस कोर्स को सब्सक्राइब करें और मुझे रिव्यू में बताएं कि आपको ये कैसा लगा. मैं आगे और भी काफी अच्छे एसएसबी प्रोसेस के साथ आऊंगा, आपको बताऊंगा माइन्यूट चीजों के साथ कि किस तरीके से एसएसबी प्रोसेस में आपको काम करना है. सो तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच.